Hi, I'm Tammy Caple with So Feathered. I'm also an APQS educator, and I wanted to share my two favorite brands of threads that I like running in these APQS machines. The first one is Glide. It's made from the Filtech company. It is a 40-weight polyester low-length thread with a high sheen. It comes in a ton of different colors, and I like using them in both my modern and my traditional quilts. But if I want that cotton look, that vintage look, then I switch to Superior. Superior So Fine makes a 50-weight thread. It's low lint and has a matte finish, so it's got the strength of poly, but the look of cotton. Now I also consider, do I want to show my threads? A lot of times I'm doing custom quilting and I want to do a contrasting thread a couple shades lighter or darker than my piecing. But if I really don't want my threads to show and I want the piecing to shine, that's when I'll blend my threads with the quilt. These are just a couple of things that I consider when buying thread. And I encourage you to go out and buy the different weights of threads as well as shades of threads. Now, if you want to find more about me, you can find me at sofeathered.com or on Facebook or Instagram at SoFeathered. Or you can even email me at tammy@sofeathered.com. I'd love to support you also in your quilting journey.